Hello lovely people, I'm back again as usual. So today we're going to make ginger biscuit, a very easy ginger biscuit. Actually it is requested to be soft ginger biscuit, not the crunchy one, because you know, as we grow old we like soft food. So yeah, we're going to make it as requested. So what we need is, of course, ginger, ground powder, ground ginger, 1 egg, golden syrup, brown sugar, and bicarbonate of soda, and of course self-raising flour. And of course, if you don't have a food processor, you can use your hand. That is only optional. And of course there's a butter that goes with it. We need butter. Okay, that's all the ingredients. So let's get started. 1 teaspoon, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, ground ginger, there, and 114 grams of brown sugar, 114. I only use 100 because I don't want it to be very sweet, but it's up to you. 100 is enough. 14 grams will not do any good for you. That is still sweet even if you don't put 114 grams. And the butter is 57 grams, or you can do it 60. And of course 1 egg, and the bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. So you dry first the dry ingredients, and then you just put later on the 1 teaspoon of golden syrup, only 1 teaspoon, maybe just to incorporate, just to make it hold together. And of course your 1 egg there. So first we process this, like to mix it first, all the dry ingredients, and then we started to add the butter and this syrup, and the last thing you have to do is the egg, just to incorporate. So I have to put it here, set the lid, and just to incorporate. So let's get down to business. Now let's put it into a processor, and then you just teaspoon, and then butter, put all the butter, add the egg. There you go, it's done. Just need to mold to shape it. First, line your baking tray with this parchment paper. Alright, lovely people, it's ready for the oven. 15 to 20 minutes, but because I want it softer, so I'll do about 12 minutes. Something is I need to put it down on the so there, maybe 15 minutes because I opened the oven. I need to sort out the tray. That's it, 15 minutes. I think it's done. Ta-da! That's how it looks. It's nice. I'll let it cool down now and turn this off because I'm gonna be cleaning the top oven. So there it goes.